Well, with this coronavirus self-quarantine, I didn't have much to do, so I figured I'd make a video of one of my cars. I've done this before for a couple of my cars, but not this one. This is a 2000 9.5 Aero. It has about 94,000 miles. I picked it up at 90,000 miles. The thing is in near perfect condition. I've done a few things to it, like this cover here. I had hydro dipped. It looks great, but the engine as you see it is how I received it. The history of the car as I knew it suggested that it was well taken care of with normal oil changes. The pan was dropped and it was clean. Beautiful. Story of this car is it started out in Florida. A broker bought it, had it shipped to Albany, New York. He was going to use it as his primary car. Once he got it home, it wouldn't start. He got the key not accepted warning. Now, I don't know why. He claimed it started when he first received it, but after about a week or so, it wouldn't start anymore. I thought that I could fix it. I bought myself a used twice unit and arranged to have the car sent to me. I picked it up for a pretty decent price, considering that, you know, it's a well sought after model and color. It is a manual transmission car, very low miles, and I consider it to be a unicorn of sorts. It's one of 31 manual transmission 9.5s for the year 2000. And what I could see of the pictures sent to me before I bought it sight unseen. It looked to be in great condition. As a matter of fact, once I got it, it was in great condition. The story of receiving this car, actually, it was delivered to my driveway at about 1 o'clock in the morning. I had been working all night and I went to bed about midnight. I didn't even see it delivered. I just had the guy drop it in the driveway. Once I woke up the next morning, it was a Sunday morning, I had the twice unit and my Tech 2, and within about an hour or two I had the thing running. These RK2 wheels were an option when it was new. I have the original sticker. It was a $1,600 option. The interior was very nice. I've done a couple things to it. I did replace the rear parcel shelf cover. I did another YouTube video on that. You can go check that out if you want. But for the most part, the interior was perfect. It was clean. There was no wear on the seats except for the side bolster of the driver's seat. I replaced the driver's seat bottom. The seats are ventilated, by the way. I did add this self-dimming mirror with HomeLink, junkyard find. I had the dash insert there hydro dipped. It was a wood grain that I really did not like with this color combination, but I had it hydro dipped. Local guy did it, did a fantastic job. You can see here, very nice appearing trim. I refinished the shift knob, sanded it, re-dyed it, recoated it. Right now it's got about 94,000 miles. I bought it with 90,000 miles. Runs perfect. That blinking you see there is an artifact from the LED lights. Those are really on solid all the time. I like the green. I don't think I'm likely to sell this anytime soon. Runs great. It's my favorite car to drive. Saab on.
Saab Magic Man.